Mosquitoes are small insects that can be found all over the world. There are over 3,000 species of mosquitoes, but only a handful of them are responsible for transmitting diseases to humans. Most mosquitoes are active at dawn and the dusk, but some species can bite at night as well. They use their long, sharp mouth parts to pierce our skin and suck our blood. Some mosquitoes also bite animals, which can transmit diseases to them as well. Mosquitoes are attracted to the carbon dioxide that we exhale as well as the heat that our bodies emit. They are known for their ability to transmit diseases such as malaria and dengue fever. Male mosquitoes do not bite humans or animals, they feed on plant nectar instead. Only female mosquitoes bite as they need blood in order to produce eggs. In order to prevent mosquito-borne diseases, it is important to wear mosquito repellent and avoid standing water where mosquitoes breed. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel Our Knowledge.